right there where it's ready to slide. You can see what a steep angle we're at. You can't always control it this good coming off. You know, I've seen guys pour oil into the tracks to make it slide off real easy. These rubber tracks really hang on there. You can see by the angle that it took a lot steeper angle to get those rubber tracks to slide. We don't have nothing under them, there's no mud on them, they're dry rubber tracks. And that's a pretty steep angle. If I had my angle indicator, I'd measure that. That's probably about 40 degrees right at it, maybe 38, 39. So now I'll just work myself right out from under the rig, and another job well done by the Rampco Easy Lift. This is part B of our two-part segment of unloading stuff with the Rampco Easy Load. So metal, low angle, rubber tracks, high angle. I've not seen much that'll hang on there much steeper than these rubber track machines, but it came off of there. You know, that's why we call it two trucks in one. It's a rollback and it's a flatbed dump. And that's just an ancillary benefit of having those two components that you can utilize to do certain jobs and be more profitable. Follow us on Facebook if you get a chance. We've got some good stuff on there that's a little bit humorous. You won't see it on our website, but we got a Facebook page where we add a few things in there. But stay tuned. We really got some action-packed stuff coming up.